Welcome back to the iGaming channel, presented by the Casino Marketing Shop. Today we're answering, what is online gambling affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based partnership between you and an online casino. You promote their games, bonuses, and services using unique tracking links on your website, social channels, or email campaigns. When players click your link, sign up, and deposit, you earn a commission. There are two main models. Revenue share, where you receive a percentage of the casino's net profits from your referrals, and CPA, a one-time payment for each new depositing player. Some partners even negotiate hybrid deals for upfront cash plus ongoing income. Successful affiliates combine engaging content, game reviews, bonus guides, and tutorials, with data-driven tactics like SEO, PPC, and A/B testing. They focus on trust, transparency, and tailored offers to drive high-quality traffic that converts and stays active. If you're ready to build a scalable affiliate strategy and maximize your earnings, our experts are here to help. Visit casinomarketing.shop and let the Casino Marketing Shop craft your custom affiliate roadmap today.